Hi, in front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. It has to be from this developer. When your launcher is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Then you can close Launcher up and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll all the way down and click on Apps section. Now select Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Now you can finally access Launcher and tap on iOS one to apply it. So when I click, tap on Home button and select Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and tapping on POCO Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!